Huawei just made a massive move in the AI assistant race, and this time it's not just about making your phone answer questions. HarmonyOS 7 is here, and Huawei is pushing its AI assistant, Xiaoyi, into a completely different category. The big question is simple. Could this finally be the Siri killer Huawei has been building toward? For years, Siri has been one of the most recognizable voice assistants in the world. But the problem is that modern AI has completely changed what people expect from an assistant. We don't just want an assistant that tells us the weather or sets a timer anymore. We want something that can actually understand what we're doing, remember context, interact with our apps, and complete tasks for us. And that's exactly where Huawei is making its biggest move with HarmonyOS 7. Huawei is taking Xiaoyi and turning it into a much more capable AI assistant that can understand what you mean instead of simply reacting to individual commands. In other words, the goal is to make your phone feel less like a collection of apps and more like an intelligent assistant that can actually help you get things done. Imagine you're looking at something on your screen, and instead of manually copying information, opening another app, searching for it, and then completing the task yourself, your assistant can understand the context and help you perform the action. That's a completely different approach from the old-school voice assistant experience. And Huawei isn't stopping there. One of the biggest parts of HarmonyOS 7's AI strategy is its use of specialized AI agents. Huawei says its ecosystem now includes more than 2,000 specialized AI agents designed to handle different kinds of tasks. Think about that for a second. Instead of having one assistant that tries to do everything, Huawei is creating an AI ecosystem where different agents can specialize in different jobs. That could mean smarter productivity, smarter search, smarter recommendations, and eventually much more automation across your phone. And this is where the Siri comparison becomes really interesting. Apple has also been moving Siri toward a more personal and intelligent AI experience, with features designed around personal context, on-screen awareness, and deeper interaction with apps. So now we have two very different ecosystems moving toward the same destination. Apple wants Siri to become a much more intelligent personal assistant. Huawei wants Xiaoyi to become an AI-powered system-level assistant capable of understanding context and completing more complicated tasks. But here's the important question. Is HarmonyOS 7 actually better than Siri? Well, not so fast. Calling Xiaoyi a true Siri killer today would be premature. Siri has a massive advantage because Apple controls the hardware, operating system, apps, and services across an enormous global ecosystem. Huawei has another challenge. HarmonyOS and its AI ecosystem are still much more focused on Huawei's own market and devices compared with Apple's worldwide ecosystem. So Huawei isn't simply fighting Siri on AI features, it's fighting Apple's entire ecosystem. But Huawei has one major advantage. It's willing to take a different approach. HarmonyOS 7 isn't just about adding another chatbot to your phone. Huawei is trying to make AI part of the operating system itself. And that's potentially much more important, because imagine a future where you don't have to open 5 different apps to complete one task. You simply tell your phone what you want. Your AI understands the request, knows what is currently on your screen, finds the information it needs, communicates with the right apps or services, and completes the task. That's the real AI assistant future. And if Huawei can deliver that experience consistently, then Xiaomi could become much more than a Huawei version of Siri. It could become one of the biggest competitors to Apple's AI assistant strategy. But there's another reason HarmonyOS 7 matters. Huawei has been building its own software ecosystem for years, and AI could be the technology that finally makes HarmonyOS feel fundamentally different from Android and iOS. Instead of competing only on processors, cameras, displays, and battery life, Huawei is now competing on something much bigger: how intelligently your phone can actually use itself. And that's where things could get very interesting over the next few years. So, is HarmonyOS 7 finally a Siri killer? Not yet. But is Huawei getting dangerously close to creating a serious alternative? Absolutely. HarmonyOS 7 shows that Huawei isn't trying to simply copy what Apple is doing. It's trying to build its own AI-powered ecosystem where the operating system itself becomes the assistant. And if Huawei can expand this technology globally, improve compatibility with apps and services, and make these AI agents reliable in real-world situations, then the Siri versus Xiaoyi battle could become very real. Because the next smartphone war may not be about who has the best camera. It may not even be about who has the fastest processor. It could come down to one simple question: which phone actually understands you better? And HarmonyOS 7 may be Huawei's biggest step towards answering that question. So, what do you think? Is Huawei finally building a real Siri killer with HarmonyOS 7, or does Siri still have nothing to worry about? Let me know your opinion in the comments. And if you want to see more updates on Huawei, Apple, Samsung, and the next generation of smartphones, make sure to subscribe to Next Tech US.